All right, so I'm recording now. Minimize your browser.
Alright, I'm coming, sir.
Click on the hide to hide that banner.
Alright. Can you still see my screen?
Yeah, I can. All right, so close your terminal and open it again.
Me and my command prompt.
Yeah, that's the terminal.
Okay.
All right, so open a new terminal. So
Okay.
run the command flutter doctor. So highlight that Java error.
Java.
Unable to find Java. Android Studio. Unable to find Java. So highlight it. All right. Minimize the terminal and minimize your Android Studio.
Should I copy it or I
No, no,
just
no, no.
highlight
Just
it?
highlight it. Just highlight it. I want people to know
Okay.
that that's what we are fixing. So minimize this as well.
Alright.
Close everything. So go to your. No, 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 no. Don't close your browser. Oh. Just move.
Okay.
Go to your your C drive.
Okay.
All right. So go to program files. The first program files. The
Okay.
Android. See it at the top. Android Studio.
Yep.
Now open that JBR folder. Copy everything. Control A, Control C. Now
Alright.
go back. Press the back button to go back. Alright, see this go to JRE folder. Control V, paste everything here. Now continue. Do this for all.
Okay.
Close this page.
Close.
Yeah. Go back to your terminal. Run the command flutter doctor again. Alright, that error has been fixed. So
Okay.
so you're good to go. I think your Flutter project is not created properly. Watch the video on the group to be able to create a proper Flutter project.
What about this other error?
This one
HTTP.
is your network error. Is your network is which network provider are you using?
I I'm using my phone right now, but when I'm also using my Wi-Fi.